More heat on tap for us. We have a heat advisory in effect today until 7 o'clock this evening because our feels like temperatures could still get up to maybe 108 degrees. So we don't have any extreme heat warnings today, so it's not as brutally hot as it was the last couple of days, but we're still keeping that heat advisory on tap for all of southeast Louisiana and South Mississippi because we have temperatures that'll be a couple degrees above average, and it is very muggy, so that's why I could feel like close to maybe 108 to maybe 110 degrees this afternoon. So keeping the sizzling heat, but we'll get some slight relief in the coming days as our rain chances should be increasing. We could see a few scattered storms today. Currently, here's a look at our temperatures. Low to mid 90s for most of us right now. It feels like the triple digits across the board. Feels like 111 in Bogalusa, 104 in Kenner, 106 in Hammond, 106 in Belle Chase. Feels like the triple digits for coastal Mississippi as well. We do have a breeze from the west around 6 to 14 miles per hour, so the breeze occasionally helps a little bit, but it is very hot and muggy. We are mostly dry across the area, though over the last couple of minutes, a couple spotty showers are starting to pop up in St. Bernard Parish and down the bayou in Lafourche and in Lower Terrebonne parishes. So we're already starting to see a couple sprinkles popping up, and we could see a few scattered showers and storms today, tomorrow, and this weekend because we have this front that's pushing our way from up north, and it's going to be stalling across the Gulf Coast over the next few days. And that should help supply us with a few more scattered storms. And with the scattered showers popping back up, that should also help with the heat relief a little bit if you get lucky enough to see a shower. Feels like temperatures, again, up to maybe 108 to 110 this afternoon. Make sure you stay cool and hydrated. Try to take those breaks in the shade if you can, if you work outdoors. Now, in the next few days, temperatures will probably be in the low 90s. But if you get some good soaking showers Friday and this weekend, you may only end up in the upper 80s. And then next week, we also keep temperatures in the low 90s. So more typical summertime heat. No more of this really scorching hot weather going into the weekend, into early next week. But it's obviously not going to be cool by any means. It'll just be more average summertime heat and humidity. But we have a cold front on our way, which could change some things up heading into next week. Also, our rain chance is going to be increasing Friday, Saturday, and into early Sunday as that front approaches, and we'll show you what that looks like. So here's the upper pattern. The high pressure that we've been under, keeping us hot and mostly dry, backs off to the west. We have an upper trough, an upper disturbance coming in down the eastern seaboard heading into later this weekend into early next week. Brings us another front that comes in later into the weekend. And that will actually bring us some slightly drier air. So we're dealing with a lot of moisture in the atmosphere now across the Gulf Coast that will help supply us with some more scattered storms into the next few days, but actually some drier air may be moving in with that upper disturbance by late Sunday and continuing into early next week. And if it makes it, it will actually feel less muggy, a little bit less muggy going into later Sunday and Monday and Tuesday. But really in the meantime, we have to deal with some more heat, more humidity, and a few more scattered showers and storms popping up. So today we'll see a few more hit or miss showers and storms throughout the afternoon and early evening. And then tomorrow, much of the same, scattered storms likely throughout the afternoon and early evening on Friday. Saturday, too, we'll see a few more scattered storms in the mix. Not a guarantee for everybody, but it's looking like our best chance to see some storms roll in across the area is when that other front approaches going into Sunday. So Sunday morning, we may be dealing with some heavy soaking showers, but we'll let you know if that changes. The timing still needs to be, worked out with that. Our cold front, though, looks to bring us some slight relief with that humidity dropping, hopefully by later Sunday. Could be a little bit more comfortable outside and less sticky out there on Monday and Tuesday, but it will still be hot with temperatures in the low 90s even into early next week.
The next time you order